Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can create this interesting and creative gold effect. In the last tutorial, I'll show you how we can create this gold effect. Now we will see how we can create it more interesting. So I am duplicate this page and deleting this frame, and here is the original photo which we find in pngaaa.com. I make it a little bit bigger and crop it like this. Now I want that the face will be similar like this in gold effect. Okay, we have face. Now I am going to edit image and background remover. It is available to Pro account. If you don't have Pro account, please click on link below this video and try it for free for 30 days. So now I am clicking erase, and here I will erase all women and leave only eyes and lips. Now I will adjust brush size and make it smaller. Okay, now we have this photo and I am clicking done. And now I will adjust our photo, click apply. And now I will adjust our photo exactly to our gold image. Make it a little bit. And now we have this effect. Okay, let's try with our other photo. I duplicate it. Now I am deleting this frame and make it bigger. Yes, and crop a little bit. Okay, and now make it bigger like this. And now I'm going to edit image, background remover, and click erase. And now I will erase all photo. I'll click done, and here you go. I click apply, and let's look to our photo. Let's see more interesting or leave only glasses. I am duplicate photo, delete it, make it bigger. Yes, make it bigger like gold effect. Now I'm going at the image, background remover, and click erase. So I will erase all picture. Okay, now look to our photo. I think now it is better. And that's it, how we can create more interesting our pictures. I hope you like this trick and see you in the next tutorial.